So now you know how to say the time when it is 1:30 a.m. up to 12:30. Next, we are going to see how to say the time when it is 1:30 p.m. So 1:30 p.m. So you can say il est 11 heures. Il est 11 heures. And how many minutes? 30. So what we say for 30 in French? It is 30. I hope you remember the numbers that we learnt. 30 is 30. 40 is 40. 50 would be 50. So these are some numbers that you need to remember. I'm sure you remember it. This is just a recap. So il est 11h30, 1:30 p.m. If it is 2:30 p.m., you say il est 14h30. Il est 14h30. It is 14 hours 30, which is 2:30 p.m. Similarly, 3:30 p.m. you would say il est 15h30. Il est 15h30. It is 15 hours. Il est 15 hours 30, which is 3:30 p.m. So if it is 4:30 p.m., you would say il est 16h30. Il est 16h30. 16 hours 30, which is 4:30. Next, if it is 5:30 p.m., then you would say il est 17h30. So 17 hours 30, 5:30. So similarly, you will be able to write for 6:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8:30 p.m., 9:30 up to 12:30 again. So now you know how to use the term demi. Demi is half. So when you say il est une heure et demi, it means 1 hour and half, which means 1:30. So you can either use it that way, or you can say il est 11h30, 1:30 p.m. 11 hours 30. So 11 hours. So this would be 13. There is 11 means 11, right? 13. 13h30. 13 hours 30. So 13 hours and 30 means 1:30 in the afternoon. 1:30 p.m. So now you know to use the term demi. There is one more term you need to learn. So this word is quart. Quart. It means a quarter. So what is 1/4? A quarter of an hour, it is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So now if the time is 1:15, a quarter past 1. So in this case you say il est 1 hour, une heure et 4. Simple. It is similar to how you use the word demi. Demi is half. Quart is quarter, 15 minutes. So il est une heure et quart, 1 hour and a quarter. Similarly, when it's 2:15, you would say il est 2h et quart. It is 2 hours and a quarter. Il est 2h et quart. Then when it is 3:15, you say il est 3h et quart. 3h et quart. 3:15. Next, (4:15) it is. Quatre et quart. It is 4 hours and a quarter. 4:15. So I'm sure you'll be able to write 5:15. 5 hours and a quarter. Il est 5h et quart. 6:15. Il est 6h et quart. 7:15. Il est 7h et quart. 8:15. Il est 8h et quart. 9:15. Il est 9h et quart. So now you know how to use the word quart. So now you may ask, how about using minutes here as well? For example, in the previous case when it was, for example, 4:30, we said you can write it either as il est 4h30 or il est 4h30, that is 30. Here also you can write that. So what do we say for 15? It is 15. So you can say il est une heure 15. Quinze means 15. So il est une heure 15 means it is 1 hour 15. So this is also right, but this is what is used most commonly. So we are learning it as a foreign language, so it is better we learn how it is used commonly. So when you practice it this way, it will be easier for you, because when you go to somebody who is speaking French and you ask them the time, they are probably going to answer using quart or demi. They do not use the minutes so much. So this will be more useful for you, and I advise you to practice using this. So when someone asks you the time, try using these words, because this is what is used most commonly.